Good evening. I'm Tom Myrtle, principal of the Carroll County Career and Technology Center. On behalf of the students and staff, I welcome you to this evening's certificate ceremonies. In just a few moments, the seniors in HVAC, Carpentry, Electrical, Masonry, and Welding will be led in by their instructors. Following the procession, Estelle Gover, Skills USA officer and competitor, will lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, can everyone please stand? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated.
At this time, I'd like to introduce some honored guests that are with us this evening. From the Board of Education, Board Member Ms. Tyra Battaglia. Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Sidney McCabe. Director of High Schools, Mr. Eric King. Supervisor of Career and Technology Education, Mr. Bill Eccles. Assistant Supervisor of Career and Technology Education, Mr. Ted McNett. Career Development Specialist, Ms. Leslie Chesley. From Francis Scott Key High School, Mr. Dave Herman, Principal. From Liberty High School, Principal, Mr. Ken Gons. From Manchester Valley High School, Assistant Principal, Ms. Lois Tiffany. From South Carroll High School, Assistant Principal, Ms. Kim Stem. And from Westminster High School, Assistant Principal, Mr. Aaron Robinson. We appreciate your continued support of the Technology Center. Tonight, we recognize a group of talented and professional future craftsmen. Our carpentry students have shown exceptional craftsmanship in all of their projects, building high-quality storage sheds, cabinetry, and making the first ever CTC tiny home. Their work reflects precision, pride, and the ability to build structures that will serve our community for years to come. Electrical construction students have been praised for their teamwork in both residential and commercial installations. Their collaboration with the HVAC program and a solar energy project highlights their readiness to work with emerging technologies. Masonry students have crafted lasting features in our lab, including archways that will remain part of the space for years. Their senior projects, fireplaces, mailboxes, and pizza ovens demonstrate both creativity and technical mastery. HVAC students have developed strong skills in sheet metal fabrication, heating system ventilation. Their work shows the precision, problem solving needed in the field that keeps homes and businesses safe and comfortable. Our welding students are known for their high-quality craftsmanship on CTC and community projects. They have also emerged as leaders, organizing this year's Thanksgiving meal drive and being strong supporters of our toy drive. We appreciate their service to our community. This class has truly modeled our core values of fostering leadership and innovation, serving our community, enriching knowledge and skills, and shaping tomorrow's workforce. We are proud of the abilities that our students have developed, the professionalism that they have shown, and the credentials that they have earned from college credits or industry-recognized credentials. The hard work and determination that students have shown will serve them well as they take the next steps in successful futures. At this time, Ms. Hopkins, our assistant principal, will explain the awards the students will receive tonight.
Tonight, we recognize our students for successfully completing their CTC program with the Certificate of Achievement. Students who earned an A in each of their program and maintained a 96% attendance have also earned the Award of Excellence. These students are wearing medals on a maroon lanyard. Our student organization is Skills USA. Skills USA is the avenue for students interested in skills competition to participate in program-related competitive events at the regional, state, and national levels. It will be announced if a student is a Skills USA competitor or an officer. We are so very proud of each of you and congratulate you on your accomplishments. At this time, we'll get started as I welcome Mr. Shamer to the stage to recognize our students in HVAC.
The journey of the HVAC class of 2026 began just a year ago. Found to have many challenges, for some there were also numerous rewards. As they learned the basics of mechanical engineering based on the principles of thermodynamics, heat transfer, flow field dynamics, psychometrics, cryogenics, combustion science, environmental systems, structural dynamics, environmental controls, efficiency optimization, and structural material engineering. They also learned the basics in carpentry, plumbing, electric installation, and masonry. Completing the NCCER Core Level 1 and Level 2 curriculum, OSHA 10 certification, and obtaining their 4-part nationally certified EPA 608 certification, R410A certification, and their A2L certifications. Students also worked with sheet metal layouts and reading blueprints. Additionally, students learned that it is okay to help each other complete tasks and support each other during assignments. This kind of support cannot be made possible without the backing of the administration, my colleagues, and the parents and guardians of each student. For that, I would like to personally thank each of you for making each student's journey rewarding and successful. Now I would like to introduce Cooper Baker, who will assist me in introducing the remainder of the class. Upon graduating, Cooper plans to go to be an intern at Energy Systems, work at Classic HVAC Services, and attend college at Carroll Community.
We have Aaron Schmidt. He's going to attend at Carroll Community College. We have Carson Rude. He's going to also work in the field of HVAC. We have Jake Coons. He plans to work in other HVAC facilities. We have Braden Schneider. He also intends to work in the HVAC field in his future. We have Josh Keller. He's going to work at Not Mechanical. We have Adam Duckworth. He's going to Carroll Harris Heating and Cooling. We have Jacob Lee. He's going to work in the HVAC field. We have Zachary Fashel. He is going to continue to work in the HVAC field. We have Hayden Bose. He is going to be working for a commercial HVAC equipment. Michael Dunn. He'll be going into the HVAC field also. We have Kurdan Mohammed. He will be going to military in the Marine Corps. We have Anthony Rourke. He said he doesn't really know. We have Tyler Olson, and he is going to work at Classic HVAC Services. And we have Evan Goff. He's going to work into the HVAC. And we have Kevin Sinnett. He's going to work at Mary Hospital.
Now I'd like to invite Mr. Mersinger to the stage to introduce Carpentry.
In that section, right over there, sits our future building framers, trim carpenters, cabinet makers, and project managers. They are crafts people and will be the ones who transform raw materials and blueprints into functional, lasting structures. These are the individuals who will build our country better than before. I have watched these individuals synthesize theory with the feel of a hammer in hand, navigate abstract math into the perfect measurement, interpret drawings to construct useful products. They're present here tonight as evidence that they successfully calculated a complex roof layout, mastered miter and bevel cuts, handled materials from hardwoods to softwoods, metals and plastics, and finished a flawless and seamless joint. It is you, the CTC graduates, who possess the rarest and most valuable commodity of all, and that is hard work. You have a craft. You know how things go together. And more importantly, you know how to make them stay together. You are the doers. When others prophesize results, you are the ones who will deliver them. This is your power. Allow me to invite an esteemed member of the carpentry class to read the names and accomplishments of our graduates. Kane Provenza. Kane will be pursuing a career as an electrician.
We have Michael Mitchell. Michael, after high school, plans to work in the field of carpentry. Whalen. Next, we have Carter Whalen. After high school, Carter plans to work in the trade. Next, we got Jacob Sherfy. After high school, Jacob plans to enter into the Fire Academy. Miguel Garcia. After high school, Miguel plans to work in a trade. Carter Olszewski. After high school, Cooper Olszewski, sorry. After high school, Cooper plans to attend the college at App State University. Following off, hold on, gotcha. Next, we got Simon Calhoun. After high school, Simon plans to attend the college at Salisbury University. Ethan Addison. After high school, Ethan plans to attend a college at Elizabethtown College. Next, we got Nathan Song. After high school, Nathan plans to attend college at UMBC. Ethan Villard. After high school, Evan Villard. After high school, Evan plans to enter the police academy. Declan Earhart. After high school, Declan plans to work in the industry at Another Dimension Framing Corp. Yeah, Cole. We got Cole Horse. After high school, Cole plans to work in the field at Zepp Trucking. Kurt Volmer. I knew I was gonna mess this one up. Kurt Volmerheisen. After high school, Kurt plans to work in the trade. Next, we got Vaymar Martinez. After high school, Vaymar plans to attend college at College Seminary. And finally, we got Noah Nelson. After high school, Noah plans to work in the carpentry trade. Thank you, everyone. Give it up for Carpentry 2026.
I would like to invite our electrical teacher, Mr. Blizzard, to the stage, please.
Okay, today I'd like to recognize the students who have completed the electrical construction program. Through hands-on shop experience, these students have developed skills in residential wiring, commercial wiring, low voltage and data systems, and motor control basics. This year, every student also completed the OSHA 10, the NCCR Core, and the NCCR Level 1 certifications. Many of our students also earned the Award of Excellence through strong attendance and academic achievements. Our graduates are now moving on to full-time careers, some paid internships, and some decided to continue their education to become future leaders in the construction industry. We are proud of their hard work and wish them continued success. Congratulations, guys. Now I'd like to introduce Davis Maestros. Davis is going to start an internship at Windsor Electric.
John Hughes. John plans to work in the Electricians Union after he graduates. Blaine Edwards. Blaine plans to work on his family's farm. Jack Lauer. Jack committed to Salisbury University for golf and will be majoring in business. Danny Nelson. Danny plans to attend East Carolina University to major in construction management. Jake Miller. Jake plans to attend trade school to continue his electrical career with ARCO. Brooke Kaiser. Brooke will be working at Integral Components while attending Carroll Community College. Zach Ryan. Zach plans to attend McDaniel College. Sean Lloyd. Sean plans to enter the electrical trade and attend trade school. Connor Freeman. Connor plans to enter the electrical trade. Julian G. Julian plans to continue work in the electrical trade. Nick Candela. Nick plans to begin work in the electrical field. James Justice. James plans to enroll into the apprenticeship program and begin work in the electrical field. Carter Button. Carter plans to work at Ultimate Electric as an apprentice. Timothy Jewell. TJ plans to attend Salisbury University for project management. Gunnar Davis. Gunnar will start his career working at IMAX Control Systems. Christian Quintanilla. Christian plans to begin at Ultimate Electric. Esteban Hernandez. Esteban plans to enter the workforce after he graduates. At this time, I would ask to invite Mrs. Potts to the stage to recognize scholarship recipients.
Good evening and welcome. Thank you all for being here tonight to celebrate and support our graduating seniors. My name is Carrie Potts, and I'm proud to represent the counseling department here at Career and Tech. This evening, we're grateful for the opportunity to recognize students who are receiving awards, scholarships, and special recognitions for their dedication and achievements. These scholarships will help our students take the next steps towards their futures, some by supporting continued education in their chosen field, and others by providing the tools and resources needed to begin their careers. Every award presented tonight is made possible through the generosity of businesses and individuals who donate thousands of dollars each year to honor the hard work, commitment, and determination of our students. On behalf of our faculty, staff, senior, and their families, I would like to extend our sincere thanks to our scholarship donors. Your support plays a vital role in helping our students turn their goals into reality. So thank you. First off, could I have Mr. Schweinsberg please join us on stage for the Boucher Industry Tool Award. Boucher Industries, established in 1994 and located in Baltimore, Maryland, provides welding and metal fabrication services for the commercial, industrial, and defense markets. President Eric Boucher is a graduate of Howard High School and the Howard Vocational Technical Center with a certificate in welding. Delegate Boucher's scholarship fund aids students in the applied mechanical engineering and welding programs who are entering the workforce to help cover the cost of tools they will need to get started in their career. The recipient of this award is receiving a tool set valued at $500, which is on display in the back of the room. Congratulations to this year's welding student receiving the Boucher Award, Joey Battaglia. Congratulations, Joey. Thank you. Could I have Mr. Shamer from the HVAC program please join me on stage? Ms. Stephanie Stephanie Anderson from Heating and Air Conditioning Contractors of Maryland was unable to be here this evening, so Mr. Shamer is going to help present in her place. The Heating and Air Conditioning Contractors of Maryland, HACC, is a trade association for independent heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and refrigeration contractors in the Baltimore metropolitan area. The organization actively promotes and protects the interests and welfare of the industry, its members, and the consumers it serves through a variety of activities, training, and networking. The HACC Apprenticeship Award was created to give students the opportunity to further their studies in the HVAC industry. This scholarship is awarded to graduating seniors from the HVAC program who plan to continue their studies in an apprenticeship program. This evening, we have 4 recipients. I'm going to call all of you at one time. If you would come up here, and I'll have you come across one at a time. We have Anthony Rourke, Braden Schneider, Jake Kuntz, and Kevin Stinnett. So Anthony. And Braden. And Jake. And Kevin. Congratulations. Thank you. All right, could I have Mr. Dan Pritchett from Ultimate Electric to join us on stage? Ultimate Electric Incorporated believes in the importance of developing the next generation of leaders in the electrical industry. To this end, they offer a scholarship to graduating seniors who have completed the electrical construction program at Career and Tech and plan to further develop their electrical skills and education. This scholarship pays for the recipient's first year of apprentice school. This year, we have 2 recipients of this award. Congratulations to this year's Ultimate Electric Scholarship winners, Carter Button and Alberto Quintanilla. Would Mr. Dan Seeley and Mr. Paul Noyes from the Electrical Contractors Association of Carroll County come on up? Organized in 1952, the Electrical Contractors Association of Carroll County is committed to providing continued education for local electrical contractors as well as supporting the efforts of a student pursuing a career in the electrical industry who displays dedication to their pursuit. We're proud to present the annual Electrical Construction Achievement Award along with a check for $500 to this year's recipient, Davis Maestro. Congratulations. And Davis, O.T. Hall and Sons has proudly representing the electrical and networking manufacturers in the Maryland, D.C., Virginia, and Delaware markets since 1920. Being a family-owned and operated business now in their 5th generation, they take great pride in their service levels and top quality lines they represent. This year, in addition to the scholarship, O.T. Hall has donated a tool set for Davis to add to his toolbox, and it's also in the back for you to take home with you tonight. So congratulations. I get Mrs. Vandervalk and Mr. Mersinger to join me on stage? The Thomas A. Vandervalk Memorial Award is given by Mrs. Vandervalk on behalf of the entire Vandervalk family in memory of Tommy Vandervalk, who passed away in April of 2006. He was a 1984 graduate of Westminster High School and soon after started working in the construction field. He eventually became a supervisor for a residential and commercial builder in Ellicott City. His passion was in carpentry, where he made items for family and friends in a workshop he set up in his basement. This award is given annually to a carpentry student who shares the same passion as Thomas A. Vandervalk. This award has been given in past years also by Mr. Arnold Vandervalk, Tommy's father, who passed in 2018. We'd like to recognize Mr. Vandervalk's contribution to this scholarship and remember him as a dedicated friend and supporter of the carpentry program. Please help me congratulate this year's Thomas Vandervalk Memorial Award winner, Noah Nelson. And Mr. Mersinger, can you stay with me for a second? All right. Would Mrs. Margaret Weller from Shelter Systems please join us on stage? The Shelter Systems Tool for the Trade Award was established this year to recognize an exceptional student in our Career in Tech's carpentry program, one who has demonstrated both the skill and dedication essential for success in the carpentry field. This award honors a student who has maintained a B average or higher in their coursework and consistently exhibited the traits of teamwork, quality craftsmanship, enthusiasm, and passion throughout their time in the carpentry program. In addition, the recipient has shown a strong commitment to community service and aspires to pursue a future career in carpentry. This award recognizes not only technical ability, but also character, work ethic, and a genuine commitment to the trade. Congratulations to this year's Shelter System Award recipient, Michael Mitchell. And Michael, your tools are also on the table in the back for you to take home this evening. In addition to our regular scholarships, which were awarded here this evening, we'd like to recognize students who were recipients of the Building Congress and Exchange Future Craftsman Awards. The Building Congress and Exchange is a metropolitan Baltimore's premier organization for networking, education, and business development for professionals in the construction industry. Each year, this organization recognizes the accomplishment of high school students in pursuit of design and construction careers. The foundation selects local students to receive Future Craftsman Awards and for recognition at the Building Congress and Exchange's annual Craftsmanship Award presentation, which happened earlier this year. Winners and their schools receive plaques to commemorate their dedication and commitment to the pursuit of a career in the construction industry. Each future craftsman also receives a grant to be applied towards the cost of tuition for further education in construction or the purchase of tools to begin work in a construction career. Would this year's Future Craftsman Award winners please stand at your seat and be recognized for your efforts and accomplishments from the Electrical Construction Program, Gunnar Davis. Congratulations. And at this time, I'm going to invite Mr. Campanelli to the stage to recognize students in the Masonry program.
Good evening. What a year. This has been a great class. You have to understand, for some of us instructors, it's a kind of a sad time for us. We've been together for 180 instructional days, which, if you do the math, it's 720 instructional hours. So they're kind of like family to me, and every year it is kind of a sad transition. So we've done a lot of great things together, including Saturdays they've been staying after to work on projects. We've had Skills USA competitors that have been working hard and practicing for their competitions. A few highlights that to further all the things we've done together. All the students are OSHA 10 certified. These kids are already a hot commodity, and this card makes them gold. 100% of the masonry class is NCCR and Core Masonry Level 1 certified. They were all part of a building industry level custom ordered class projects such as brick ovens, outdoor fireplaces, fire pits, custom brick and stone mailboxes. They are all on display, by the way, in our masonry shop if you wanted to swing by at the end of this ceremony. We've casted many concrete reef balls, which is our oyster revitalization partnership with the Coastal Conservation Association of Maryland. We've made hundreds over the years, and this class has made a positive impact on the Chesapeake Bay and the surrounding waters. Additionally, many of these students volunteered at our local elementary schools to help kids build reef balls. They've logged hundreds of community service hours. We took a field trip to Lehigh Cement Plant in Union Bridge. It's a true modern marvel. And finally, here's a breakdown of the 18 masonry students' plan after high school. 2 will be attending college. 1 will be attending the Fire Cadet Academy. 7 will be entering the general construction workforce. And 8 will be entering the masonry construction workforce. So at this time, I would like the masonry students to line up, and I will be calling their names. So I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to be describing each student with a final word and description as I call their name. Jack Birch, genuine. He put his heart and soul into this program, and I believe he will miss masonry more than anyone in the class. He is a recipient of the Award of Excellence. Josh Bonner, meticulous, almost to a fault. No one tried harder to make their project perfect, and he is a recipient of the Award of Excellence. Cam Brown, industry ready. He worked masonry construction all summer and part-time this spring. He will be representing Carroll County this April in the Skills USA Masonry State Championship, and he's a recipient of the Award of Excellence. Beckett Carlson, versatile. He is a transfer from the engineering program and has applied his strengths to masonry. Mason Carr, disciplined. As a wrestler, he demonstrates similar traits in the shop as a masonry student and will be successful in life. He is a recipient of the Award of Excellence. Ethan Dunty, competent. He will be working for Henry J. Knott Masonry next semester. Malachi Groshi. Yes, competent. He too will be working for Henry J. Knott Masonry next semester. Joe Hansberger, diligent. Once a project is assigned, he's off into his own little world working hard. Tyler Henley, respectful. He is a go-to when things need to get done and never complains, even if the task is challenging. Braden Jones, honest. He is not afraid to tell me like it is, even if it might make me mad. Daniel Keller, motivated. He never takes a break, and he's always on task. He will be a future employer's dream worker, and he's a recipient of the Award of Excellence. Luke Krebs, committed. He truly appreciates what this program offers and always tries to get better. Chris Kvek, reliable. Besides his excellent attendance, he is another go-to student who isn't afraid to do a challenging task. He is a recipient of the Award of Excellence. Elise Oscom, multi-talented, soon to be a mechanical engineering student. She is our in-house Skills USA champion and will also represent Carroll County in the Skills USA Masonry State Championship, and she is a recipient of the Award of Excellence. Ben Phillips, proven. He worked all summer for Henry J. Knott Masonry and knows the value of hard work. Silas Ramos, teachable. Although sometimes hard to motivate, he is proud of the work he puts in. And finally, Joe Smith, passionate. He loves what he does in the shop, and the final product shows. He will also be a future employer's dream worker and a recipient of the Award of Excellence. One last round of applause for the 2026 Masonry class. At this time, I would like to introduce Mr. Swinesberg and invite him up to the podium.
Every welding class has its challenges. This class was no different. And for this, I set high expectations for my class each year, and this class has met them. Teaching students to weld and use welding equipment is the easy part. Teaching them everyday stuff, that is the real challenge. My students this year were not only successful in welding, but also with other community-related activities, such as making wreaths for Carroll Arts Council, working on farm equipment, and volunteering to help 4-H with their youth welding class. All the things required to be a welder and welder fabricator, this class has accomplished. They all passed OSHA 10, and they received their NCCR core certifications. Every student took their AWS D11 welding test, and at this moment, we're waiting for their results. They have learned how to weld, cut, and use fabrication equipment safely and correctly. Several students even won welding competitions. I believe this group will succeed because of the knowledge they gained from the welding program. These life lessons, along with their welding skills, will take them far in the future. Congratulations to the class of 2026. I will introduce my first student, and then he will introduce the rest of them. Jimmy Sykes. Jimmy is going to continue working in the field of welding.
Tommy Grundy. He was a Skills USA competitor, and he plans to enter the welding field. Max Groslinger plans to attend college. Sorry, I'm a little short for this guy. Tyler Hungerford plans to enter the welding field. Ty Pennywell plans to attend college. Dylan Myers also plans to attend college. Joey Battaglia plans to enter the welding field. Bryce Dowell plans to enter the welding field. Giovanna Joseph plans to enter the welding field. Estella Gover was a Skills USA officer, a reporter, and plans to attend college at East Texas A&U. Kateri Benedictus plans to work in the welding field. Haley Stanley plans to attend college. Livia Zepp plans to enter the welding field. Cole Ziegler was a intern Stamberg Welding and plans to enter the welding field. Jared Hurd will be an intern at Gaines & Company and plans to enter the welding field. Chase Owens plans to attend college. And Braden Grukowski plans to enter the welding field too. And that's everybody.
Seniors, we are tremendously proud of you and grateful that you chose to attend the Career and Technology Center. This opportunity is not only due to your hard work, but also due to the support and encouragement of those close to your family. At this time, I ask that all parents and guardians of these students please stand to be recognized. Seniors, your unique time at the Career and Tech Center is ending, but you leave with knowledge and skills that will prove beneficial to you in your future plans. Furthermore, you now join a larger group of people who also attended the Tech Center, an honor you should take great pride in. Career and Tech alumni are a strong and enthusiastic network of future colleagues. On behalf of the entire staff of the Career and Technology Center, I congratulate you on your accomplishments and wish you well for your futures. This concludes our ceremony. Thank you for joining us this evening to celebrate our students.